So I made added another compilation of flowers and with some horror meme posters and stuff in here. Just to keep a mix of flowers for fun and random spots, of course. And then the other one, a little bit of horror compilation. So I just made a random little nature shot with some nice flower. Sorry about if some of these images may scare. It's just for horror fan base anyway. So yay. Anyways. Well, good morning, or good top of the morning to you lads. Just having my Nescafe Colombian, something for the caffeine, top of the morning anyways.